Hey guys, welcome back to Brighter Folks. Today we're taking a look at cell phone lenses. I purchased two lenses from Miniso, the new Japanese retailer that opened up in Canada recently. And these were under $5. They're not in any way like maybe the Moment lenses that you've seen on other YouTube channels reviewed. These are budget lenses, so I don't know what to expect from them. They're all wrapped up in these plastic packaging, so I'm just going to get one out of the package and spare you the grief of seeing me take the other one out, because I hate these plastic packages. So I think these were both like $4.99 or $3.99, something like that. So this one's actually the 0.4 times wide, super wide. So this is like a widescreen lens. You can see that. So this one, it's I think supposed to do like a fisheye or something like that. So you get a super wide view of whatever you're filming. So the way they work, they have just basically a little clip on there, and I have this old cell phone here, this old Samsung that I'm going to kind of play with. So I think the way it would go on there, see the cameras on the back there, so you have to kind of get that right over the camera, and then once you are at whatever location you're trying to take pictures at, this would be the attachment that you would put on there. And so what I'm going to do is actually take this out into real world testing. I'm going to get some pictures and videos with the lenses on the phones, and we'll go from there. So hey guys, I tried the Miniso lenses for about a week, and I have to say that I was a little bit disappointed with the quality of the lens. They're made out of plastic, they're not out of real glass like you would find with Moment lenses or some of the more expensive ones that you find online. If you guys are looking for lenses to add to your cell phone, keep that in mind, that these ones that you find in dollar stores and places like that aren't going to be what you might expect. It was really hard to align the bottom the phone to the bottom of the lens to see through. I kept getting a piece of the plastic showing up in the camera lens. So I would say that if you guys were looking for this type of product, stay away from the Miniso ones. It was a waste of my $10, and I think you guys can do better with more expensive ones, or just don't put them at all on your phone and just use the zoom in your camera. There's other apps and stuff that you can play around with. So I hope that helps, and if you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm on my way right now to Toronto. My car's driving me, by the way, and I'll get into that in another episode. So anyways, have a great day guys, and don't forget to come back and check out some of the other stuff on the channel. Take care guys.